Okay, let's look at number 6 here. Find a value of x, round to 3 decimal places. So you have this natural log of the square root of 7x minus 4 equals 2.7. Okay, the first thing I notice here is when we do these kind of problems is that we have a square root of the whole thing inside here. Let's always convert these square roots or whatever, maybe a cube root, into fractions. Let's do that right away. So you see right there again, I put everything to the 1/2 power because it's a square root. And due to our properties, we know that if everything is to an exponential power, we can just take out the 1/2. Easy enough. Okay, so now let's start solving for x here. Now that we've simplified, we got rid of we expanded, I guess we can say we expanded the natural log here, and we took out the 1/2. So let's go ahead and now try to solve for x. So to get rid of the 1/2, let's multiply both sides by 2. So 2 times 1/2 will cancel each other out. All we have left is natural log of 7x minus 4, and 2.7 times 2 is 5.4. Okay, how do we get rid of a natural log? So again, we have to think of what's the inverse of a natural log. The inverse of a natural log is the base e exponential function. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to rewrite this over here so we have a little bit of room. Okay, we're going to take it to e to the big E, as Mr. T also likes to call it. We take it to the big E. So we're going to have exponential of both sides. So again, all we're doing is we're doing the opposite, the inverse of what you would do. Like when we had a 1/2 here, to get rid of a 1/2, we would multiply by 2. Okay, to get rid of a natural log, we're going to do an e right here. So what happens is these are going to cancel out. E and the natural log will cancel each other out. All we're left is with the 7x minus 4. And now what we have is e to the 5.4. Let's go ahead and put that in our calculator here. So let's see. Okay, I'm going to use the e. That's this button right here again. So I have a natural log, and there's the e button. So e to the 5.4, oops, sorry. That equals 221.406. Okay, but then this is easy enough right here. Once we get to this point, all we got to do is do inverses here. We can add 4 and then divide by 7. So let's just go ahead and do that right here. Let's use this number here. Let's just add 4 and then divide by 7. So the answer is 32.201. Let's make sure we're right on that. Number 6, yep, that's correct.